Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach. And in this video, we're going to show you the sale that we're having this weekend. It's our best sale of the year. Right now, you can get the online Pro version and the USB for only $69.99. That comes with full lifetime access that you can use offline 100% with no internet and online 100% with the full Pro version. What you'll do is you'll come to this link that's in the description below or go to electricalcodecoach.com and just click on this button on the top. It'll take you right to it. What you're going to do is come here and select your code cycle. And in this case, there's only one selection because it includes both of them, the 2017-2020 version and the 2023 for one price. Then you'll come down and you'll select your type of phone adapter. What that allows you to do is adapt to your phone and be able to use this fully offline. So you have the full online version and the full offline version. You get the free phone adapter and you get free shipping. Then you purchase it and check out. Now let's go check out the website itself and you can see what the Pro version is really all about. All right, when we get to the Pro version, and we get logged in and everything, you set up your password, you're going to get your password reset in your email. You're going to come here, and if you want to do the 2017 version, you just keep scrolling down. If you want to do the 2023, you just click there, and the interface looks the same with a few different variations where we updated it for the 2023. Click here on Lesson 1. And one thing about our program, you'll notice there's no frills, no excitement. It's just the juice. We did not want to distract you with a bunch of stories or a bunch of things that you don't need. Click on the Lesson 1 videos, and then you come down through and do all of your Lesson 1 videos. You play them right here. You can go full screen. You can speed them up or slow them down. And one thing that we offer that nobody else does is the ability to download. So you can download that for offline use. Then when you're done with it, you come down and click on your quiz. And here's another thing that sets us apart. Once you start your quiz, and let's imagine you don't know what this definition is. Let's imagine that you think it's a damp location. When you select the wrong answer, when you come down here below, you have custom feedback. Now, sometimes it's just in text, but a lot of times we have a video down below
including a basin with one or more of the following.
Got the answer to that specific question or one that's very similar. Then you'll go through and do all your quizzes. After that, you can come over here and check out our flashcards. We have tons of flashcards. Memorization is key when you're wanting to get your license. Scroll down through here. We have tons of them. And then we also have the ECC Testing Center, which you're going to love. First, you're going to come to your sectioned out type of questions. So your general knowledge, services, branch circuits, feeders, so on and so forth. Then when you come down here, you have your grind out quizzes, which is just question after question of grinding it out. Then we have the Lesson 1 grind out material, which is a little bit more interactive. Lesson 1 through 10 grind out material. You come in, you got quizzes right here. Then you've got your flashcards built in all in one area, and it's specific to Lesson 1 through 10. Then we have tons of other features that are available on the website. With that being said, more than that, you have my personal support. You have my personal support where you can call or text me anytime. 423-895-3247. I'll be here when you need me. Sometimes it takes me a little bit to respond, but I usually try to get back to everybody same day, next day when I can. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and we're going to be running this sale through the weekend. You can check out the link in the description below, or you can head over to electricalcodecoach.com and just click on that link at the top that says sale. If there's anything you need from me, you can email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Let's get to it.